Hi, little learners. So more about hibernation today. And we learned in that video a lot about different animals that hibernate. So hibernate means to pass the winter. And what animals are doing is they're saving their energy and they're surviving winter. So today, a couple of those animals that hibernate are bears and bats. So today we're going to play a hibernation game. And we're going to use those two animals. So you can play this game in a classroom, super easy, or at your house, easy peasy. You just need, we're going to use the tables as a den, and the chairs are going to be for the bats. So how it works on the chair, bats hang upside down. So here's the chair. So your feet are going to hang over like this and your body is going to be on the floor. So like you're a hanging bat. So I'm going to play a song. It's kind of like a freeze game. And I'm going to play a song. And when I stop it, I'm going to say either bat or bear. So if it's bear, I want you to get under a desk. So like you're in a den all covered up. Or if you are a bat, I want you to hang upside down on that chair. Find a chair and hang upside down. Okay, so I'm going to play some music. And you can play some music. You can follow along with the music. Give yourself some space.
Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, falling from...
Bat. Go, 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 go. You're on a chair. You're hanging upside down. You're going to sleep. Upside down. Okay. Time to wake up.
On this
There you go.
Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, falling.
Bear. Go, 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 go. Get in your den. Get in your den. Fast asleep. You've got the table over you. Something over you. Go to sleep. Oh, boy. Deep, deep sleep. We'll do it one more time.
Falling.
Come on out of your den.
Falling on my head. Snowflake, little snow.
Okay, bear again. Go, 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 go. Get in your den. Cover up. Go to sleep. You're under the table. Go to sleep. Now it's going to be hard to wake you up because you're in hibernation mode. So that is a great game. Bats or bears with hibernation. You could play it, play it where you have some space that you can cover yourself, or you can use those chairs to hang upside down. Maybe you have to use a couch if you're at home, a kitchen table. You can make it work with this freeze game.